What's going on, guys? Kyle here from GuideWise. In this video, I will show you how to use Google Docs for client proposals in GoHighLevel. First, go to Google Docs and then create your proposal. You can either start from scratch or you can use a template. So I will just use a template. Once you have edited and completed your template, in the top right corner, select Share. Change the general access to anyone with the link and then copy the link. Once you have done that, go to GoHighLevel. You can then create an automation or go directly to contacts. Select the contact that you would like to send this to. Then change the conversation to an email. You can say your proposal is ready. You can then type out your message and then paste the link in the chat. So now when they open the email and click the link, they will be taken to their proposal. If this video helped, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to GuideWise. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.